Hi, friends, it's Mrs. Rogers, and we are going to play with letters and sounds today. So let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger for you. There we go. Let's go through and see what we're going to do today. Here we go. Here are our learning targets for today. I can hear sounds in words, and I can blend sounds to make words. Those are the things we're going to practice today. All right, first we have a story. Now, this story is very simple, but on each page you need to see if you can guess the word that starts with the letter sound that you see. They'll show a letter, and somewhere on that page is a picture of something that starts with the sound that that letter makes. I'm going to get you started, and then I'm going to see if you can do the rest all on your own. So here we go. Cleo's Alphabet.
Cleo's Alphabet Book by Caroline Mockford. Cleo's Alphabet Book by Caroline Mockford. Let's look at Cleo's ABC and guess what all the words will be. A is crunchy, crisp, and red.
Apple.
B floats on the waves.
Boat. Boat starts with B.
C moves when she says hello.
It's a cow.
D barks as he plays.
I think it's a dog. D for dog.
E is good for us to eat. F is what birds wear.
Feather. Now you're on your own.
G makes people's hands feel warm. H sits on their hair.
Hat.
I is round and made of ice. J makes toast taste sweet. K loves dancing in the wind. L lights up the street. M is Cleo's favorite drink.
Milk. Did you guess it?
N is home for birds.
Nest.
O is juicy, sweet, and round. P makes shapes and words.
Pencil.
Q keeps Cleo warm and snug. R climbs up the wall. S shines brightly in the night.
Star.
T grows green and tall.
Did you get that one?
U protects us from the rain. V drives far away. W turns round and round. X is fun to play. Y means Cleo's sleepy now. Z means time to rest. Let's practice Cleo's ABCs and all the words we've guessed.
That's the end. Were you able to guess all the words that you saw? All you had to do is think about what sound that letter makes, and then what picture on that page starts with that sound. So if you want to go back and do it again, you can. But we're going to move on. We're going to practice all of our letter sounds right now while we do a dance with Jack Hartman. Remember how we used to love to dance together? You get up right now, you can dance to all the letter sounds, but don't go away, because after we do this dance, we're going to do some practice together, and I don't want you to go away. So first dance, move your body, and try to remember all the different sounds that we've learned about this year. Here we go.
Jack Hartman! Kids Say the letter sounds each day. Build your body and your brain. Exercise makes you feel great. Say the letter sounds each day. Soldier march. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. Jet plane fly.
Ooh, are you flying?
Egg. F, fish. G, girl. H, hat.
Let me hear you do it
Country
too.
stomp. I, igloo. J, juice. K, kite. L, ladder. Gator swamp swim. M, monkey. N, nose. O, otter. P, pencil. Hula hoop. Q, quarter. R, ring. S, sun. T, tiger. Basketball bounce. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watermelon. X, like in fox. Penguin waddle.
Ooh,
Y,
you penguin waddle?
yo-yo. Z, zebra. Say the letter sounds each day. Build your body and your brain. Exercise makes you feel great. Say the letter sounds each day.
Wow. Well, I hope you guys got your exercise and practiced all your letter sounds. I hope you're ready to use those sounds because here's what we're going to do. I'm going to make the sound, each sound in a word. And I want to see if you can blend those sounds together and guess which picture down at the bottom of the screen would go in that box. So if I look at the first word up here, I don't know if you can see my little arrow, it says Which one of these do you think goes in the box? Man. Man. All right, let's try the next one. Some of you can probably read that right away and you already know which picture goes there, but I'm going to sound it out. At. At. Which picture do you think it is? That's right, cat. Cat. Let's do the next one. Well, I'll start right here. Can you guess which one it is? Not pin. Pan. Pan. All right, let's look over here. At. At. You got it, hat. All right, now look right here. Is that this one or this one? Rip. Rip. Look, that paper's going to rip right out. So we know this one has to be pin. In. Pin. Let's do a few more. Here we go. All right. Look down here and see if you can guess. Nap. 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 Here's somebody taking a nap right here. Nap. All right, here we go. At. Rat. 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 I see a rat. Kind of looks like a mouse too, but it's a rat. All right, here we go. It. Sit. 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 Here's somebody who's sitting. So that's sit. Couple more. An. An. Can. Here we go. Can. All right. Let's see. This one's kind of strange. Rib. 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 Well, this is definitely not a rib. Here I see a skeleton, and the arrow is pointing at the side of his body where his rib would be. So that one's rib. So this one has to go here. Whoop, he's hiding. He doesn't want to go there. I don't know why. Anyway, that word is sad. Sad. And if he would go in the box, he would show us sad, but he wants to hide behind the box. Oh, well, let's go back. Now we're going to skip ahead. And remember what we said when we don't do something, we skip it. We're going to skip some pages because we're going to save those for a different day. Skip, 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 skip. And here we are back to our learning targets. This is what we worked on today. I can hear words, I can hear sounds in words, and I can blend sounds to make words. I hope you had fun practicing this with me. You can do it again with your grown-up as many times as you want, but we'll be back again next week to practice some more. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.